Alright, for the next problem, here we've got a burning building that's on fire, and we've got a person that is stuck up here in the window. The ladder for the firefighters has to be 9 feet away from the building, and this is the ladder, which is a 15-foot ladder. I want to know how tall or how high up is the building window. This problem is going to be a little bit different, so make sure you be careful because we already have the hypotenuse. Remember, this is going to represent C. So you'll have to think back to the problem that we did before on how to do this. You're not going to want to add in this case after you see this set up because you're going to be missing one of these two things instead. You're going to have this and you're going to have one of these, but one of these is going to be missing. So once you set it up, you're going to look at it and you're going to need to subtract. Let's see how you do here coming up with the height of the building up to the window. Please make sure that you do this problem in your notebook and then show all your work for it, and you can pause the video now, complete the problem, and then start it back up to see how you did. Alright, we are back to figure out the answer of this question here. So we're just going to call 9 A, and then this would be B, and this would be C. So we've got 9 to the second power plus, we don't know B, so that would be B to the second power equals, we do know 15 to the second power. Okay, notice how it's a little bit different than before because this is the number that we don't have. Now, 9 to the second power would be 9 times 9, which would be 81, plus, we know that we're eventually going to have to do a square root there, equals 15 to the second power. 15 to the second power is just 15 times 15. 15 times 15 is 225. Okay. Now, this was the case where we would add if we had two numbers to add together on this side of the equal sign, but we don't. So we're going to have to subtract. So instead of adding, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to take this off right here, and I'm going to subtract it over here. Okay. If I take 225 minus 81, I'm going to have 144. So that's what we're going to stick right in there, 144. So as soon as we find the square root of 144, we're going to have B. We're going to have the height of that building up to the window. Square root of 144, that one is probably a typical one that you'll probably get. You know that 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11 is 121. 12 times 12 is actually 144. So your answer here is going to be 12. So to replace this, the height of the building up to the window where the person is in the burning building is 12 feet.